Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Today we are going to Caesar's headquarters, you guys. I'm super duper excited. I was actually personally invited by the CEO, so shout out to him. And Patrick had already been trying to get me out here as well, but I had to go when the CEO invited me. So we are here. So come follow me as we check out Caesar's headquarters. Let's go. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. So my Romeo came on this wonderful field trip with me because I was having issues with print and cut. I am a Mac user and there were issues with the Mac users, so Patrick wanted to train me in person, and so I brought Romeo on the field trip. I was so excited because I love this machine. Okay, guys, so I go in. It was super nice and quiet, really clean. The first person I met was Chad. Stay tuned, you'll meet him later on. He was so amazing, and he grabbed my Romeo for me. Okay, so this is the entranceway going into Caesar's headquarters, and the next person you'll see is Patrick explaining one of the rooms.
So main area right down here, this is where the teams meet. This is where we do our bigger team meetings. We have sets kind of set up everywhere. So this wall right here is like our green wall and our shiplap wall. We use that from time to time. That was something that I built a long time ago. This is more of our retail area, or like our just pure white area, so we can do all of our retail photography, some videography. We can set all of these different set spaces up with a bunch of different things. This is like the pinnacle of the studio. This is our main build where we'll do some vertical stuff, but a lot of video content out of this one. And this is also the photo area. Okay. This is the photographic moment. So, and then back here is another side of the set that we're gonna start developing pretty soon to make like a main set. But right now, Leona, our photographer, so every photo that you see in the Caesar North America catalog, every video that you see comes from pretty much this studio down here. Awesome. And all of these studio spaces. So we got another photo setup that's been in stuff like that. This used to be the old podcast room when we had the podcast, so that's why there's a cool wrap on the wall. But usually, yeah, this is where we do. Yeah, this is our lounge area. This is also where we put all of our finished goods, any finished blanks that we have, or things that we're working on as far as projects. And then this wall right here is where Leona keeps a lot of, like, she'll use a lot of tablecloths and stuff like that for backdrops, so she keeps her stuff here. And then this is just a massive catalog of stuff that we've made, designed. Awesome. All the kind of things that you see, everything that gets shot in a video gets put up here first. Okay. And then at the end of every year, we basically gather everything up. Like this one would be really cool, and I like that applique. This one's actually from Stephanie Young, who's like our embroidery expert. She's awesome. But this right here, anytime something gets shot, once it's done, it'll be put up here, and then at the end of every year, we basically take the whole rack down, put it out in our main area upstairs or down here. We let everybody do a garage sale, pick what they want, and then the rest we donate to charity. Oh, that's so nice. So we'll donate to like Salvation Army or, you know, wherever.
That's awesome. Fred. This is the studio.
So this is the main studio set. This used to be all wrapped with like a wood grain wrap on the wall. We just removed this probably, Chloe, what, a month ago maybe? Yeah, we took the decorations on down. And then we came in here, painted, put flooring in, and all of that kind of stuff too. So yeah, this is where all the main lives go.
Yeah, this is our see all the time.
Yep, this is where everybody's used to seeing this. Where Adam and Anna usually sit back here. Chloe's back here working cameras. Trev's back here sometimes working cameras too. So everybody kind of is doing their thing.
Awesome.
The only thing that was here is like turning my mic on and off.
So that's your mic?
Yep.
This is the...
Yeah. And then that should be it. Other than that, yeah.
I think I'm good.
Cool.
Patrick is absolutely amazing. Everyone that I met was super nice, and you'll meet more people following along, but I just had to get this backdrop here because this is just so cute. Then he took me upstairs and showed a really cool wall that they have where they keep comments that everyone shares to them. Like, how dope is that?
But yeah, we like to keep the comments of everybody that's, you know, commented on Facebook or YouTube, or everybody, you know, sees what our name is and who we are, and then you come in here and realize we're all family.
Speaking of family, let's meet the CEO really quickly. Dreamers, guys. So look who we have here. Say hi, Dreamers.
Hello.
Hey, hey, hey.
Yes, using the cutter.
That's right.
Chad, say hi.
Hi.
I forgot to bring in that number.
Oh, we love the natural light.
Anna. We just love us some Anna. So these are books that they have in their library. If you know me, you know I love to read. So I thought that was super cool to have if other people are book lovers as well. And then these are some awards. Come on now, Caesar.
This is our, all of our awards.
Gotta get the awards.
We have different equipment. We have a bunch of random stuff that we like to put together. This one right here is something new that we're coming out with, and that big old stuff.
Oh my goodness, dude, this is dope.
Yeah, we actually have a video that we're working on for next month too that will be showing kind of the process as well.
Cortez, say hi.
Hello.
You guys, Cortez is amazing. He made all of these by different types of Caesar flag and all types of vinyl. Like, look how amazing this is. I didn't even know it could do that, okay?
Watch your channel all the time. It's the best.
Oh, thank you. So I came in, he was like, oh, I watched your channel before, and I just couldn't believe it. So
Yeah.
Thank you so much. What's your name again?
Brett.
Brett. This is Brett. Thank you, Brett. You guys, Brett was so nice. He said he literally really watches my channel. And then he started listing off things that he watched. And I thought that was so sweet and so kind. And it just made me so happy. The Caesar team is, I don't even know how to put it into words. They were just so nice, so welcoming, so kind. I literally felt at home. And although I knew a few people here, it was the first time meeting others. And when I say we just laughed and had us a ball, I actually cannot wait to go back. But you guys stay tuned, there's more coming. Behind the scenes, say hi, Dreamers.
Hello.
Keith, you want anything from Banana?
No, thank you. And
11, 10.
special day here at Caesar, and we're gonna get into it in a few minutes here. Two reasons that this is a special day. Number one, first and foremost, before anything, I have a very in studio today and in-house today. So, and then also too, this sort of second reason is this weekend, big game, all of us here in Detroit, all of us here in Michigan. Actually, I did see we have Easy Puff Metallic, the silver and the gold that we launched here Tuesday, which is an awesome product. We already talked to you. It's a lower melt application. It's a two-step application process. There's a YouTube video out right now. There's also a blog as well, so it'll go through that application process with you. So make sure that you watch over on YouTube at Caesar North America. Make sure that you're checking out our blog on our website at SiserNA.com. And there is where you're gonna learn how to use this fantastic material, because speaking of Cali Pop and them posting these types of designs, we actually did an inspired design earlier in the week where we used the metallic gold and then we did a knockout in Strip Flock Pro to add really cool dimension. And you guys already know, we asked everybody what was the craziest ways that you've heard people say the name Caesar, and it was Sizer, Sister, Scissor, Slither, whatever your phone auto corrects to. I typically say, you know what, we'll go with that, and then we'll work our way to the real way, which as we know is Caesar like the salad. Simple product. You guys have already been super excited for.
Oh, I gotta get this.
Everything is made from our pizza boxes, and all the pages for our pizza boxes, all the way to pre-cut material, so that they can be sent out as samples. Newer stuff you can't see yet.
Okay.
No, you're good. Samples. So Cindy and the team are literally hand cutting these to have on hand to send us out sample materials. What do you think, Cindy? 90% of what we have? Yeah. So
wow.
here, I think we learned a lot about like how the simplicity of the process was and what we thought was simple, and then she.
Ooh, you got your signature on it.
Yeah. And my signature, you guys, I learned so much. In this brick flock right here, I cannot wait to show you guys some projects with that, as well as more projects with flock. Vinyl is so complex, and to be honest, I didn't know it could do all these things.
Without having to redo anything.
Okay.
Okay. But I'll have you do this part. So take the blade and put it just inside the inside boundary. That would be good. Right about there. Oh yeah, sorry, inverted. That's perfect. Somewhere right around there is going to work out perfect. Okay, cool. So now what we'll do, we'll go down to your actual cut itself.
I just have to thank Patrick so much for this wonderful in-person one-on-one because he helped me out. You guys, I was having issues, as I stated earlier, with my print and cut. And they were having some updates with the Mac. So I had to get this hands-on in-person training because I love this Romeo machine. And as you guys will see that we did figure it out. Patrick, he was playing with the camera. Patrick is so smart and so helpful. If you see my lives, when I'll call him or text him in the middle of a live and he'll help me, he is just so smart when it comes to this. Everybody at Siser, like I said, was so welcoming. It was dope. And look, y'all, we did it. Oh my goodness, I had such a great time.
Hey, there it is. Nice. Good job. Love it.
Thank you.
There you go.
So, as you can see, we did it. And I, of course, could not have done it without Patrick. Everybody at Siser was so amazing. I had such a blast. If you want to see when I was actually live on there, I will put the link down in the description so you can see what we did live because I couldn't record it as I was live. But y'all, it was amazing, Patrick. Thank you for everything.
No, thank you so much. Hey, and all of you guys out there, if you are not following along with Siser and Do Dream On, there's a lot of things coming up in the very near future. So we already started talking about it. We're not going to give away all the secrets, but there's going to be more collaborations this year. Maybe with this guy.
He was so kind. He carried my Romeo out. We had such a good time. Here are just a couple more of the pictures. Thank you so much to the whole Siser team. I literally felt like family, and I miss y'all. I need to be back soon. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And that's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, holla at your girl. If you have not already, please join our Facebook group, Crafty Queen Dreamer. We love it over there. Follow me on Instagram, Do Dreamer is the handle. TikTok, Do Dreamer is the handle. And I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Anywho, y'all be safe out there. You hear? Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.